Hi everyone, this is Hiril from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I am super excited to share that I have received my first Dress My Craft Gems kit. Yes, so I have been on DMC Gems design, kind of a design supporter team. So I have received my first parcel and I'm opening it with you all, and let's see what I have received. I am really excited to create my unique and creative creations with you all. So let's open it up and let's see what all we have got. And yes, it is very well packed with bubble sheet wrapped around. Look at this. So you also get bubble wrap free with it. So yeah, this is what I have got. There is wonderful goodies in it, starting with all this reactive foils. So this is kind of new for me. I haven't used foil yet, so probably it would be a first try. And then we have this punch. It's daisy border punch. I have also ordered 2 other punches, and I'm assured that all these punches would be working fine. Next is this cute bone folder, and just look at the packaging. It is coming in. So it's kind of a Ziploc sturdy bag in which this bone folder is placed. You can also use that bag to store, I guess, sequins or something if it is in a package. So yeah, it would be very easy to crease and fold lines with this bone folder. So yeah, that's that. Next is this cute box which has sprinklers, pastel sprinklers in it. Let's open and see how are these sprinklers. Just look guys, I love these colors. So the first one is purple, pastel purple sprinklers. Next is sky blue or light blue color. The third is yellow, kind of a maybe floral yellow, or yeah, floral yellow. Other is pink, all-time favorite, and I think that goes well with the paper pack as well. This green, light green. This thing, I think it's kind of orange or golden yellow shade. So yeah, it's the sprinklers, and I actually love the box more. Sorry. And the next is our beautiful Nutty Buddy paper pack from Dress My Craft, the new release. All you all guys know about it, but let's take a flip through of it. So here's what you will see. All the papers are very well blended into each other, and the colors are super fun to create with. So I'll just let's just take a flip through of it. So yes, this is what I have received, and I'm going to put all these links in the description box below, so in case you want to check it out, also the website link. Bye for now.